Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have a little unboxing from NOTPOLISH. So I ordered a few things, and what I mean by a few things, I ordered their custom acrylic kit, and it comes with an 8-ounce monomer, the universal nail tips. It comes with a clear, Nude Panther, I Don't Kiss and Teal, the Nail Boss, and princess slippers. So I also picked up, since they were on sale, I picked up 2 more mattes. I picked up 2 more glossets, and I picked up their super diamond gel glue. So in this bundle, you get a little bit of everything, in my opinion. So the liquid monomer, I'm just gonna open it up. I'm gonna swatch these colors. It's not full all the way to the top because I can see the shadow. It's probably full up to here. Oh, you can see it too. And then you got the universal tips, which I guess I'll open up too. I personally was not going to use tips. Like, I was going to probably use my own natural nails or basically do basically do forms, but I guess why not, right? So the kit comes with the monomer, some tips, 2 essentials that are 2 ounces, and then 3 colored acrylic. I believe the reason why these 2 are silver top and this one is red is because this is the 2-in-1 powder, and then these are just the acrylic powders, so you can't use them for dip. I love that they're silver top. I heard great things about this brand, so I definitely want to try it. They do give you the option of doing a matted or a glosset coat. So these are how the bottles look. And I chose what I wanted with this kit. I wanted matted, but they only had the option of matted. Glosset was sold out, but I was able to get this on the side. So now I have 3 matted coats and 2 glossets. I love matte nails, but I just don't have matte top coat. And then they give you a nail file. I also bought their super diamond gel glue, and yeah, I can't wait to try that. So the universal tips are already curved. So that's nice. The only thing they don't have, oh, they do have numbers. There's like a little number at the edge of the tip. All right, and that's kind of cute. And I like that the box that it comes in, it doesn't really seal that good, but better than not having a container, right? So I'm gonna swatch the colors that I chose because why not? So I got clear, which I'm not going to swatch, but I just want to show you guys. So I guess packaging, I lost some of it because there was like a sense of like powder or grittiness in my package. So I guess it was this, but I'm not so mad because at least it comes with a seal. I like that it's full all the way to the top, and this is the clear. Now if all that polvo wasn't there, sorry, the powder, dust, whatever, I would be able to close it correctly. All right, give me a second. I should be able to close this. Yeah, for sure not putting this face down, because if it doesn't even want to close, it's literally like, what the hell? Give me a second because I'm not sure as to why it's not closing. You see, like, this is how it closes. It's so weird. I know you can see me through these, but yeah, I have my hair in a bun. Okay, I got it closed, but it's the most awkward way to close it. It feels like you're not really closing it correctly, but anyways, I'm gonna put that to the side. I also got an essential, Nude Panther. Well, They are tightly sealed, I give you that, but why? My hands get sweaty when I record because I get nervous. Okay, give me a second. Not the fact that I also put on cream because my hands were really dry from washing my hands consistently. So, you know, yeah, that didn't help. Why? Okay, I got it. Okay. Place it down nice and neat. Alrighty, and this one is also, oh, very loose. Oh crap, my powder. And I love, 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 love that they're filled to the top. So this is how Nude Panther looks. It's super light pink. Like, I don't know if you could pick it up, but it's really light pink. So I forgot that I want to swatch. So the cool thing about this is that it comes with like a little opening, and that's really easy. I'm going to use my small dampen dish because I'm only doing swatches today. Oh, it's probably sealed. Duh. Okay, cool, cool, cool. It does come sealed, so that's great. And I can't really tell the color because the bottle's red. So let's see if it's purple. Just gonna put it back. Alrighty, now we're ready to go. Sorry about that. I'm gonna use this small one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not bad. It does leak a little bit, but no complaints. Alrighty. So I'm gonna swatch Nude Panther. Ooh, it's so pretty. I've been trying to practice my acrylic, but I don't want to use it on swatch sticks. I kind of want to practice on people, and I don't really have anyone to practice on but myself. But I also don't want to be changing my nails out every 2 weeks. So right now I'm on week 2 of my nails. I didn't post a video about it because I don't like how they look. This is bothering me. I look like poop, guys, and I don't need you guys seeing me look like that. So I'm just gonna put that there for now. I love the way that this color swatched. I'm gonna do a little bit more. So this is how Nude Panther looks. Such a gorgeous pink. Oh, I can see why everyone is so in love with that color. Still not closing it correctly. I think that's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna swatch Princess Slippers next. Oh, and these don't come with a seal. So this is how Princess Slippers looks. Super light and filled up all the way to the top. So this is how Princess slippers look. It's a super sheer pink. It's almost like a frosted pink, I would say. Looks really nice. Next, I'm gonna do I Don't Kiss and Teal. So this one came a little open, as you can see. Don't quite know where it's lifted from. It seems like they just didn't top it correctly on this part. Yeah, there you go. Still such a pretty vibrant blue. Wouldn't say it's teal, but let's see how it swatches on the nail. It's not super full, but it's not low either. No, I got blue in there. Well, this application I did a little lumpy. This is Don't Kiss and Teal. It is a really nice teal. And last but not least, we have the Nail Boss, which is a gold. Ooh, okay, this one comes with a lid too. And these are really easy to take off, so that's great. And this is how the Nail Boss looks. Super amount of gold in there. Let's see how it swatches. I did get my monomer a little blue, but I heard you're supposed to swatch glitters at the end. This would be beautiful for an ombre. I'm not a huge fan of gold, but you know, sometimes gold goes very well with some colors. So this is how the Nail Boss looks. Mega gold, but so nice. I mean, it's more transparent than you think, but still really nice. And I didn't swatch the clear because, well, it's clear, guys, and I heard really good things about it, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. So I don't know which coat I should do. I think you could pretty much see how it would look if it was matte already. So I'm gonna see if I just put should I do half and half? Maybe, right? Alright, fine. I'll do half and half so you guys can see what it looks like matte and what it looks like glossy. So I'm gonna start off with Nude Panther. I'm gonna put Gloss It on one side. You can feel that this formula is thick. So let me just do glossy on one side. And then I'll do matte on the other side, although it pretty much looks matte. Look how thick they are. I think it's just because it's cold in my area. But that's pretty thick. So I'm going to just put this under the light. So you really can't tell the difference between the matte and it just staying acrylic. Glossit is really nice. You can't really see it all that well, but the Glossit is super nice, tack free. So I like that. So I like to leave my swatches kind of matte because I like to know what they're going to look like if I were to leave them matte, because I already know gloss is going to make it glossy. Come on. So I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to use a different marker to name them. But so far, I really like these. So that basically concludes my video of the NOTPOLISH Acrylic starter kit, and I will give you a review on this. Maybe I'll use it for my next nail video. I did buy rhinestones and all these other things on Amazon, so I cannot wait to try them out. I did do a little set on my friend, but I will show you guys that in my next video because I have a few packages coming in, so I'm excited for that. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still a newbie. I really don't do acrylic, but I'm practicing because I feel like it's so interesting. You can do so much more in compared to dip powder. But anyways, until next time, bye.